everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. It's been 15 years on YouTube. Time flies. Some people say that they came back to my channel after a few years. Thank you very much for coming back. Today I wanted to share with you 11 tried and true Japanese recipes that make people happy. By the way, the result is not based on the YouTube statistics. It's based on my point of view of 15 years communicating with my viewers. You can trust me. So let's get started. Number 11, radish dishes. Many people still ask me for the radish dishes. I have a playlist, so please check it out. Number 10 is chicken recipes. Japanese chicken recipes are really popular. The most popular chicken recipe is Kare, if you know, it's fried chicken. I have chicken recipes playlist on my channel, so please check it out. Number 9 is Gyoza dumplings. I already posted many recipes on my channel, so please check them out. I have a playlist. Number 8 is Onigiri rice balls. I also have many recipes on my channel, starting from the basic recipes, so please check them out. I have a playlist. Number 7 is Tamagoyaki, rolled omelette. It's a must try. I have an easy version and the regular version, so please check them out. Number 6 is Korokke, potato croquettes. It's a very popular deep fried dish.
Number 5 is miso soup. It's a staple Japanese soup dish. Please try with simple ingredients. I have very easy and basic recipes, so please check it out.
Number 4 is yakisoba noodles. Again, this is very easy recipe. If you go to a Japanese grocery store, you can find a package of yakisoba noodles. And what you do is you stir fry with favorite vegetables. It's very easy. Number 3 is potato salad, potato salad, Japanese potato salad. Many people say that my recipe is really good, so you must try it out. Number 2 is, can you guess what? Omurice, omelette rice. I already posted many recipes on my channel, so please check them out. I have a playlist. And who can guess number 1? Kare rice. Korean rice. I always think the basic recipe on the package is better than anything. So I have Bamonto Kare and the house Kare. You can try either one. So thank you very much for watching my video. I'm taking just 10 minutes to record this video before kids come back from school. Stay tuned for the next video. I will see you in the next video.